everyone, my name is Trinity Infinity and I am your forever agent on the beautiful island of Maui. Welcome to my YouTube channel where dreams become reality. Today I am super excited to chat with you guys about how you can use artificial intelligence, aka AI, to revolutionize any of your business models. I have a huge passion for this because it allows people like you and me to spend less time behind our computer screen and more time in the present moment, doing the things that we love to do, whether that is spending time with our loved ones, enjoying nature, or getting a massage. One of the amazing things that I have learned to do in the CREM Institute of Artificial Intelligence is training my ChatGPT. It's like I've trained ChatGPT to be my personal assistant, to do all of the tasks I don't necessarily want to do, and I delegate those tasks to save myself some time. For example, I have trained ChatGPT to speak in my personal tone of voice, a little bit of class and a little bit of sass. And it's so amazing because I never ever have to retrain my ChatGPT. I am so excited to continue to teach you guys how to leverage these business resources to better assist your business. Everyone knows how frustrating it is hiring a new employee once a month and worrying about if they're even doing the tasks the way that you showed them how to do it in the correct order and in the correct systems. So with ChatGPT, you just have to do this one time. And it may seem at the start like you are always behind the computer and always doing all these things, but the beauty of this is you only have to do it the one time. So as long as we do this right the first time and do it with excellence, we will never have to train our ChatGPTs again. It has integrations with some of my favorite apps like Canva. Another new thing that they implemented in ChatGPT 4.0 is a memory update. So my ChatGPT literally remembers things 150,000 times faster than I could. I ask it certain questions like, hey, what was the YouTube channel name that we decided to come up with for my new real estate YouTube channel? And immediately it'll bring up that name that I looked up about 5 to 6 days ago and will put it right in front of my face. Because let's be real, we all live very busy, very fast-paced lives. We are distracted by technology, by consuming different things online, by buying different things, by all these different people. It is impossible for us to remember daily tasks even, but much less all of the things that we need to do for our business, right? And so leveraging these tools and training them to speak like you is so amazing because I've also used this tool to target my ideal client. You know, sometimes as business owners, it is really hard for us to relate to our ideal clients given the fact that we've never been in certain situations. For example, I'm not a mom yet. So relating to one of my ideal client profiles like wives with children is quite difficult sometimes because I don't have any children. Well, I have the solution for you. I've trained my ChatGPT with different kinds of prompts to better understand and relate to my ideal client profiles. It has been so amazing to learn this resource because I really get to feel how my ideal client profile feels. For example, like I can feel with the journals that ChatGPT has created for wives with children potentially wanting to upgrade their lifestyle. And then the thoughts that they have at night at 4 o'clock in the morning, wondering if they're going to be able to pay their bills and then still live the luxurious lifestyle that they want to live, especially in a place like Maui where things are very expensive. And reading reading these perspectives in the perspective of my ideal client has been life-changing for me, because now when I speak to my client, I will understand and be able to listen and assist them in their real estate pursuits better. So I am so excited to continue to spread my knowledge and continue to teach you guys about the resources and things that I have been learning.